Everyone needs to fix this on the motorcycle right now. So you need to make sure your lever is adjusted enough and it's far enough away to where you can still get to 100% braking before the lever hits your other fingers or it hits the lever. So many times I see people with their levers, it's adjusted so close so that their fingers could reach it. However, they get to the point where the lever is hitting their hand or their gloves and they can't get to 100% braking power, or they even have the lever so close where the lever goes all the way to the hand grip before they reach full power on their bike. This is why getting adjustable levers is so important. And what you need to do once you adjust it, play around with your brake pressure, do some emergency braking practice, and keep on switching it around to where you have the best feel, and it's going to be preference to you. But 2 fingers is mostly what you need on most motorcycles to get to 100% braking power. But no matter how many fingers you use, you should be at 100% braking power before your lever hits the grip. Additionally, while you're on your motorcycle, in your normal seating position, you want to make sure your forearm and your wrist is flat and it goes straight to your brake lever. If you have it too low, for example like this, it's not your natural position to reach all the way down to get to the lever. Or if you have the lever too far up like this and it's tightened back down, you're going to have to reach up to get to the lever. So you pretty much want it to be a flat, straight line from your elbow to your wrist to your fingers. So your fingers just go straight up onto the brakes. Once you get it in a good position, just tighten it back up. While you're at it, you might as well do your clutch lever as well. Forearm to wrist to fingers to your lever, pretty much one flat straight line. So I have seen so many students and buddies that are out practicing emergency braking, and they try to get to 100% braking power and their lever hits their finger. So only get to about 60% braking power. So I tell them, either adjust your lever so it's further away or add more fingers. But you're not at 100% braking power yet and we need to adjust it. So we adjust their lever, then they come back down again like, wow, I didn't know my brakes were that powerful, because they've been limiting themselves because the lever was way too close. That's the most common thing I see. I don't see too many people with it too far away. I often see that the lever's way too close. Or I ride a buddy's bike and I go to get on the brakes. I'm like, holy crap, the lever literally touches the grip and I'm only at about 40% braking power. I'm like, dude, what if you had to stop very quickly on your way here? This is insane. You have no braking power because you're shorting yourself. The lever is so close where you think you needed to be that close, but you have no force. If you actually had to stop fast, that ain't gonna work out. Move that lever further away. If your bike has non-adjustable levers and it's still in a good position where you're, however many fingers you use, you can still get to 100% braking power, well then no problem. However, that's why aftermarket levers always have some kind of adjustability to get this perfect for you. Thanks for watching.